Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login channel. Today I will be showing you how you can create an account on Fiverr. Now first of all, let's install the application on the mobile. First of all, for that go to Google Play Store. Tap on search bar and type in Fiverr. Tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. You tap on install. Once the application is installed, you tap on open. You are at the home page of the Fiverr. Here you need to tap on skip. Now with that you will be able to sign up for your Fiverr account. To join Fiverr you have three options, that is continue with Facebook, continue with Google, sign up with email. You can choose any option that's appropriate to you. If you tap on continue with Facebook, your Fiverr account will be created through the Facebook details, as Facebook and Fiverr will get interlinked with each other. It's the similar process with Google. And the third process is sign up with email. Here you need to provide few details about yourself before signing up. The continue with Facebook and continue with Google is one tap sign up process where you do not have to provide any information and get your account registered easily. But for this video I will be showing you the sign up with email process. Now tap on sign up with email. First of all you need to provide your email address. Now then you need to provide a username that would be your public username. Now then at the third empty text field you need to provide your password. Once you have provided all the information, that is email, username and password, you tap on sign up. And now with that you have created your account for your Fiverr. Once you have created, you need to verify your email address as well. You can see on the top, please open the email sent to -- and activate your Fiverr account. Now for that you need to go to your mail, tap open the mail, and you can see at the very top of my inbox the email from Fiverr. Tap open it. Here you just have to tap on activate your account. And with that your account will be successfully activated and you can use your Fiverr account from now on. Go back to the Fiverr application. Now here you can see your account has been activated and you have your very own Fiverr account. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned how you can create an account on Fiverr. Please like and subscribe the Login channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.